Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your phone number in Gmail. So log into Gmail first. After logging to Gmail, you find here on top right corner your profile icon. Click on this and go to manage your Google account. Then go to personal info, the second option. Then scroll down and you'll find here the phone number. Click on this phone number, and if you want to change the phone number, click again this arrow, and now you'll find two things, this pencil icon and the delete. If you want to delete, and just click on delete, or if you want to add your phone number or change your phone number, click on this pencil icon. Now put here your password, then click on next. Hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna now click again this pencil icon, click update number. Here you have to remove your previous number and put your new number like this. Okay, click on next. Now click on get code. Okay, something wrong again, so let's try without code. Don't need country codes. I think that will work. Yeah, it is worked. Don't put your country code because it has already been set. So now go to your mobile, or which is associated with this number. Google will send you a message or verification code. Okay, I have got this 246280. Now just after putting a verification code, rightly click on verify. This sending again. Hold on. Okay, you can see here my phone number is updated. I have put the right code here. So guys, this is how you can change the phone number in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.